on 1000 RPM.
It's making a bad noise.
I have to adjust the stand. I had to put it at the spin drain, but it was because it wasn't. Shaking super. Wow, it's actually super unbalanced. It's not even night. Fully. Actually, okay, let's see what happened. Let's try and get this guy out. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the clothes got dry, little dry, but yeah, it was super unbalanced. I can't do it too. Let me try and adjust it. Just it's a little. So there's still lots of unbalance. Let's try and adjust this guy. So what all I can do? Let's increase it a little bit more. So, it's actually wrong with this leg. Let's try and adjust this to all that way. Yeah, the nut has gone in this one. In this one, there's no nut. Yeah, the nut is fully gone. In this one, so nut is there. The nut is fine, but in this one, the nut is fully gone. Can't do anything about it. I failed for this one. It was actually happening typically from the stand, but the nut on this is fully gone. So if you saw that, that's the reason why it was shaking. Something has really went wrong. So guys, if you like my video, please share and subscribe. And I will later post a video on how I fix the rubber. So guys, if you have any questions, very bad. So guys, if you have any questions, please tell me in the comments. I'll tell you. So bye bye.